Medofo, mame mo akwaba emfa wombra GCN page so. Munuaba adwa searching me and I'm djumedi way ebro. Na mesro so be subscribe to my channel. Na wodonsa emia bell ne so. Ube your notification and some me koso wo men will be a winye biati. And asa ube nye biashwe ewo GCN page ha. Ora Odi Ahenkan oye juma ewo despite media. Na ora Odi Ahenkan ena okase odine nsem we etudwa ewo Peace FM newspaper review so. Na ora Odi Ahenkan nsem a okay na se. Ewia se ewo mi nipa yade a osayi wanyina ya mense nidi. Ena fenso se onipa o kanokware na se omo de dade etu umrim ekukura kanokware na omo enku. Na ora Odi Ahenkan kire se one de obeka nokware na nokware a okay na ne se eye His Excellency Nana Addo dankwa Akoffu Addo obeye Ghana manpeni ade a oye ya kire se Ghana yewre emfida ena afenso wa ya de pa ye a and he wa obetwu mutan akosoro abefi obeka say His Excellency ayade any free SHS ananado ede aba and the Ghana form of free na eco school free and afenso napco His Excellency Nana Addo dankwa Akoffu Addo ede ebai and afenso 1D1F His Excellency ede aba and pokwase eye interchanger His Excellency Nana Addo dankwa Akoffu Addo waye no eyade a wayade yi papa yentumi enka se nneema ya His Excellency waye onyade wayade nemo baby nso wo ho a enye de enye eye 25 US dollars His Excellency Nana Addo dankwa Akoffu Addo eyi ede ama footballers so mo enko engine kodi ni free no eyade ane de enfaso bia eni so because as at now ye ka say secondary school form of frebi eti apatase esuade afenso okọ primary increasing the brain no mo from okọ primary school mo fra ketinketi omo tena biase esuade a chese omo nya school dan kra entinem ene dan video bia na e trend e wo social media e mo fra omo esua IT a chese omo use drawing omo de eye ofede say keeper da omo e de omo nsa emiemia so a chese na enkoyie kra amanfo bebre eka ho asem eka enti ena owura Odi Ahenkan chese His Excellency eba no se free SHS napco 1D1F no dia wayade na emum se watam eye 25 US dollars e dia ma footballers so omo engine kodi ni free de enya de His Excellency wayade kra na emum no eba no se free SHS ndi ani Ghana fo yatwe mu tan a obeka se sa de na Nana Addo ede eba ndi wayade pa na enti ensema owura Odi Ahenkan ede etudwa
ede aba
bia mananim Nana Addo esi aboa no succeed
sure
o succeed e be boa ye nyina be boa Ghana me say utwumu ne beten eye pe free education papa ne ba no wo de sika to me minimum meka say ade pa utwumu meka cho praying say ade pa pokwasi interchange meka cho praying say ade pa planting for food and jobs meka cho praying say ade pa what they say council to me minimum 25 million US dollars. Yam van kobo bo. Maka se me no nya dwen da. Me hu ye hia. Yaba
mebo.
Yaba
meba. Bo no cap no mo kwakọ omo so mo ko
4.5 million. 4.5 million dollars.
4.5. Any ye this na kwesem.
25 no World Cup kan ho.
World Cup
and Africa Cup.
You wait 4.5 ni idea here.
Africa Cup.
Africa Cup. And I work up the MC saying.
Work up 28 at 30 menka 24 there about
million.
I don't see the MC intimate. I'm on Penina say only intimate.
I say a be a kobo bi.
I hear some wo. Missy a baba kajansi hey. How many years in it? Ya can street light to want some more. Some who the agency in raising money to go and play football. Now who the agency in raising money to fix the street lights. A common street lights and so they are. When you may be home and penny metanity 100% metanity, but say this is Calcobo ball. Now collected $25 million US dollars. Now collected him patasi co school there. Nobody will give me.
Cap is Yanni. Africa no Granadi and Sabbath. About World Cup.
In German, me teach them free education, planting for food, pokwasi interchange. me too chema den sa box of play you poku say fantastic biamadu obeka tabruchiri papa me say abane ya de papa meka ade anya nso no ye ni atem ye disem krofo yo mo
na abada de atem tete ye yo tete ye do ye daily graphic odi to aso
dia me de to aso ya chronicle anya se na nanam ahemfo bi ahwe owuru akwabena ochire da ko anim aka de wo fa what fairly direct catch regional minister ni prince regional minister
what's the regional minister
o catch any pray
wo eren wa fairly
what fair
okoya exams ben
House of Chief Test Western Regional Minister you said na mpanifo twotwo ti said na pomu ni mpanifo kokohia regional minister House of Chief regional House of Chief one tomu kasa na eso ohen baako ese sa ohen de on the prem mind
dia hia
obahu ani maka kire wo ni dini na mehwa ben. Wow, what started as a meeting to welcome Mr. Kojokum, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs Minister. Dr. Matopoku Prempe, Energy Minister, to the Regional House of Chief on Monday. It tends to be one of the fireworks. Paramount Chief decided to put him on the spot.
Now, it's a new Western Regional Minister.
Western Regional Minister?
Western Regional Minister,
the Western Regional Minister, Kwabena Ochredaku Mensa, has received his baptism
of fire.
Since he assumed office as president, Nana Danko Akoffu Addo representative in the region.
Okay.
Intiasi Nana Di ene eye Paramount Chief of Insiem Traditional Area. Awulai Ajefi Kwame.
Inside Traditional Area. Insiem Enumu nyawochimu.
Inside Traditional Biama. Many ampa Biama wacha oucha. Inside Traditional Area Awulai Ajefi Kwame. And what Hemni tenant a woman minister. Na poma bantu abetrebi. What fail papa.
Oh,
ubedi minister. Na na info ya yaka. Utimi nkaye mum.
Na no munum so munim Bible say ni onim papa no anya na ye bone ma no. Wo munim so ama yaka. De enti no mo nka mum.
Say nya yaka se me ne wa yaka keke. Na de eye ahinsem man.
This call for baby no. Boy,
Monton.
Misra.
Iti we eno kaje se enya ayaka se me ne ba afo nkasa me ne ai
ansase ho manso
enya ansase ho manso keke ahensem manso sem ena minister yu ne Ghana mampania na
mu wo mantam no mu
into think at least I'm for to meet you manso na ko pie me court na minister yi nani ase the